Welcome to our step-by-step guide to selling on Versla Marketplace. Start by logging into your account, then click on the Sell link located on the left side of your dashboard. This will lead you to an onboarding form. Fill out the details about your business, including your marketplace username, business name, and account type. Once completed, you will be directed to set up your merchant account via the Stripe payment gateway. After the setup, you'll receive a notification confirming that you're all set to start selling. Next, it's time to personalize your store. Go to Settings, then Your Business, and click on the Store Information link. Here, you can add a comprehensive description for your seller page and specify your customer service email and phone number. You can also set a default return policy that can be used for all of your items if you do not wish to use our site-wide policy. Now let's tackle the combined shipping settings. This optional feature allows you to set shipping costs based on the total weight or price of an order, rather than charging for each individual item. Enter the details for each of your shipping methods. For each method you wish to offer, add a service, a note, and the price or weight bands. You can add more than one service to each band if you wish, and you can also include or exclude countries or postcodes. You're now ready to start selling, so it's time to list your first item. Click Sell and then create a new listing. Fill in all necessary information about the item, like its type, name, description, and categories. Don't forget to add multiple images from different angles to showcase your product. The AI description rewrite feature is there to help you create compelling descriptions. Just remember to review its output before saving. Your item will also need shipping details. You can opt for the previously set combined shipping or customize it separately for each item. Here, you also have the option to use the default return policy you set earlier, or customize it per item. We recommend completing as many optional fields as you can, like brand and SKU, as these details increase your product visibility and get you more attention. Congratulations! You're now ready to sell on Versla Marketplace, having successfully listed your first item. We wish you success as you expand your online business on our platform. Happy selling! Please like and subscribe for more guides, news, and tips from Versla.